I could not let today go by without an update.
Oh yeah, I forgot about what today is.
Today would be our 1 year anniversary of working on this monstrosity. A whole year.
We've had a lot going on, so
Let's get a little bit of an update.
a year later.
Well, on the last few days, because we were having issues with adhesion, I screwed up somehow on the countertop. I cleaned on it for a while, and then I stepped away from it, and Cory finished up the cleaning and re-epoxied it, and he did a fantastic job, and it looks so good. Yeah, I just made a mistake somewhere in all of the chaos, but he's done a really good job of getting it completely flat, and the surface is smooth, and it's not going to collect dust. It still needs a little bit of a sand here on the edge because he had it nice and taped off, so that'll get a sand.
Easy enough to sand that off, and then a little bit to round it over.
And the bathroom, we have walls in now, and he's starting to get like the sink back in place. He built the little step for covering the pipe down there. I've got to get it theme painted. And he has now moved to the front of the camper. So where are we?
Just getting all the scrap pieces of things that we want to make work, seeing where they fit, making the spot for the bed, closing off the bulkhead, making sure it's all still sealed, secured.
And at the same time, somebody has requested our personal artwork to be displayed in their business, which is a nice opportunity. So I have been taking paintings down off of the walls and cleaning the frames and the glass and putting together little QR codes so that if somebody happens to want to buy them, they can scan it and
the write-up and the pricing and everything.
Yeah. So, yeah.
We'll do that tomorrow morning.
Deliver those and get them installed tomorrow morning. And
back on this again. So
I think you've been doing a really good job, though, don't you?
I think so. We just got to make it all fit and decide, okay, what can we really use? You know, this stuff looks great, but then you start to add it all together and it starts pushing things around a little bit more. So maybe severely modify these. I mean, we still have to get insulation in here, create this wall. Still need to have enough room for all the stuff that goes up here too.
Propane tanks, batteries,
spare tires, wiring, and rewire everything to where we can actually have lights up here, electric.
It's all a process.
We run all the electric again, all the way back here. Yep.
Always an adventure?
Always.
At least for the last year?
Between everything else you've been doing.
Let's not make it to another September 13th.
No. We've made quite a bit of progress, but like I said, we've had multiple jobs with the company. And
we've had a lot go on the last year. New roof, new septic, trip to Australia and New Zealand, like you say, several work jobs. It's been a lot.
There's really been a lot. A year sounds like a lot, but with everything we packed in, it's just, there's always, I guess with everybody, everything, there's always something going on. Trying to plug it all together.
Yeah. Yeah, always an adventure.
Always.
If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.